Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So we're gonna continue today on these education videos. I'm gonna experiment with these videos and see how it goes. So hope you guys will enjoy it. So for these next four videos, I'm gonna do some more topics on trigonometry. This section we're gonna look at one equation in particular, and that is sorry about that. Okay, yeah. So it's gonna be this is called the fundamental identity theorem for trigonometry, and it's essentially sorry, let's say it's going to be sine squared alpha plus cosine squared alpha is equal to 1. So when you want to find like a certain this or this, you'll usually be given one of them already, which you'll be given to like in a fraction, and all you do is just use that to find the other one, then just determine what quadrant it is. So if you guys recall, or if you guys haven't heard of it, essentially this is the XY plane is separated by 4 quadrants. So the first quadrant's here, the second quadrant's here, the third quadrant's here, and then the fourth quadrant is here. And essentially, depending on on the space that it is occupying, usually the x and y coordinates here is plus plus. So if you go this way and then up, it's plus plus. If you go this way, usually this part is negative, so you have a negative plus, signifying the fact that the bottom one is always negative and that's positive. Now if you go here, this is always going to be negative negative because you're going to the negative side and then you're going down. Then for the fourth quadrant, you're going positive this way, but you go down, so it's negative. This is just essentially the basic summary of what the quadrant explains. So let's answer a question regarding these two. So let's say you're given a sine alpha. It's equal to, I don't know, 3/5. And they want you to find two things. One is the cosine alpha, but also they want you to find what angle what angle does this lie in quadrant 2. Well, actually, no. Actually, you already know. Oh, actually, they tell you that the alpha or the angle is in the second quadrant. So that's it. So let's get started. So using this equation, you already know what this is, and since you know there's a squared, so you're gonna know this thing is gonna be 3/5 squared plus cosine squared alpha equal to 1. So then once you power up this, you will get 16/25 is equal to cosine alpha. Well, this is once you do this and you subtract by 1 and you bring it over, basically. So okay, so what do we do here? So then essentially we gotta find what this cosine is. Well, we're not done yet because they want to find oh, I'm sorry, I made a mistake here. They want to find this. They want to find this. So you notice you have a squared here. So what can you do to get rid of the squared? Well, one of the rules in trigonometry is that you could square both sides. So once you square both sides, the power here goes away. It's canceled out by the sorry, by the square root. So then all you have is just cos alpha, and that's equal to plus or minus square root of 16/25. Now you'll end up with, after simplifying, plus or minus 4/5. So at this point you say, okay, well, which one is it? Because you technically have two answers. Well, it tells you that it is in quadrant 2. So, and you're looking for a cosine. Now usually in a triangle, the cosine usually refers to the x-axis and the sine refers to the y-axis. So if we go to quadrant 2, we go up here, we notice that the x, it's negative. So basically that just tells you that, this is going to be a negative answer. So the answer here would just be negative 4/5. Now had it been sine going back, it would have been a positive. So then this would have been a positive 4/5. And that's it. So if you guys enjoyed this little tidbit, I'll make another one very shortly.